Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on IG markets. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official IG Markets website if you have not already by going to IG.com right here. If you're using your mobile device, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, and from the App Store search for IG, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing we can do is to go ahead and create an account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one, but you are going to go ahead and be needing an account, so if you have one, just log in normally. After logging in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started, and now we can get started with searching for SpaceX. So we are going to use this search button right here in the upper right corner that looks like a magnifying glass, and it's going to open up the search bar from where we can go ahead and input SpaceX. So basically go ahead and search for SpaceX, and it's going to go ahead and give us the results for all the articles right here. So basically here we have this article showing us want to know and if we can invest. So basically SpaceX has been gaining interest and currently it is closed for investing, but what you can do is go and follow this article right here to always keep in touch, and make sure to go ahead and take a look at when SpaceX is going to go public, and to take a look at how you are going to go ahead and be able to invest into it. But for now, you can invest into other stocks or bonds using your account on IG. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.